Hey guys, today I'm going to do a product review of something a little different. This is a full scuba setup, full stop, and requires proper training. Even in a pool, you risk serious injury and even death if you don't know what you're doing. Now, as a diver, I actually love the idea behind this product because it gives me the freedom to dive in more remote locations that otherwise I would never explore because it's not practical to drag around 50 pounds of gear. This particular system is called the S400Pro Mini Scuba Tank. There's an instruction manual that includes a wrench and some spare O-rings, the scuba tank itself, and the regulator. The second part of the unit is the regulator, which itself is composed of two parts. The part that attaches to the tank, called the first stage, and the part that you stick in your mouth and breathe with, called the second stage. There's a built-in pressure gauge at the end of a high-pressure hose that you can use to monitor your remaining air while underwater. The amount of air remaining in the tank is printed in both PSI and bar, with helpful color coding for those like me who have a hard time reading small print. To assemble the unit, carefully thread the first stage on the cylinder crown until it's flush and you cannot tighten it any further. Next, attach the second stage hose to the low pressure swivel. To fill the tank, you have to use this fill adapter by attaching it to a full-size scuba tank. Then attach the tiny tank using this quick release fitting. Make sure to turn the valve slowly while keeping an eye on the pressure gauge. In order to get the full 3000 PSI, I highly recommend you do a test in a swimming pool. So that was our first dive, the bottom of the pool. It was a lot of fun.